Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking to you from Goa, an awesome place. So we talking today about bulletproof coffee or coffee with butter in the morning or coffee with coconut oil. All the people on ketosis are doing this. People might be talking about this and this might be a question out there where people are asking me, is it good? So early in the morning, black coffee with coconut, 2 spoons of coconut oil is a good keto start to go on with, as it accelerates the fat burning even more, as you're straight away using fat as a source of energy. So the body will start using coconut oil, also get absorbed in your blood faster, and it will be used as it has more MCT in it, so it will be used more quickly as a source of energy. Basically, you'll be start using more body fat um, to burn all the calories. So it is very important that it's good actually if you can have the black coffee with coconut oil in it or butter. I start my coffee with 2 spoons of coconut oil, as it will help me in my weight training as well, because I lift a little bit heavy. So uh, for good training, it is very good, and it helps you basically prolong your intermittent fasting. So you can have a next meal by afternoon or even later. So you can push your meals even for, and you'll get into ketosis even more. So yes, I would definitely recommend coffee, bulletproof coffee, but it's not compulsory. Only if you want to. That's the important point. Thank you.